Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I did this pumpkin spice inspired eyeshadow look. When I started the video, I already had my face makeup on. I just used my normal NYX eyebrow gel and then Rare Beauty highlight and blush and then Tarte concealer and Bare Minerals powder. So that was all on my face. So you'll just see how I did the eyeshadow look and then the lipstick. To start off this eyeshadow look, I'm using ColourPop's Golden State of Mind palette, and I'm starting with the shade Sparkler, and I'm putting this all over my eyelid. When you apply really shimmery and glittery eyeshadow like I'm doing, it's a lot easier just to use your finger because you'll actually get a lot more product on your eyelid than if you were to use a brush. To start the crease, I'm switching to ColourPop's Disney Midnight Masquerade palette, and I'm using the shade Enchanted in my crease. This will help add depth and darken it up a little. Next, I'm using the color Nutmeg. I'm putting this on my outer corner and working it into my crease. This helps give the whole pumpkin spice feel to the eyeshadow, and it'll kind of help tie the look together. To finish off the pumpkin spice look of the eyeshadow, I'm using the shade Jolly, and this is going to be going right on the center of my eyelid, and I'm using this to add some more sparkle and also help blend together the outer corner and crease with the base color. And here we have the finished eyeshadow so far. So now I'm going to be moving on to the rest of the eye makeup. I'm just putting a highlight color on my brow bone and inner corner to help brighten my eyes, so you can use any light colored shimmery eyeshadow or highlight that you have. I'm using my Rare Beauty liquid eyeliner to do a winged eye, and I sped this up a lot because it took a lot of concentration some time, but it's super easy to do with this eyeliner. I definitely recommend it. Here's the finished eyeliner, and I gotta say, my right eye did turn out better than my left eye, but sometimes that happens. What can you do? Next, I'm using my eyelash primer and mascara. My eyelash primer is from CoverGirl, and I feel like I say this in every video, but it's so worth it. It really makes a huge difference when you apply your mascara, so I definitely recommend that. And my mascara is the Pacifica one that I usually use. So to finish off any makeup look, you obviously need a lipstick. This is ColourPop's matte lipstick in the shade Paparazzi. I think the stars are such a cute and unique detail on the lipstick, and this is such a perfect color for fall. What I really love about this lipstick is that it is matte, but it's not real drying on my lips, so it's still really comfortable to wear throughout the day. Here's my completed pumpkin spice inspired makeup look. I'm super happy with how it turned out, and I can even see myself wearing it too when it's not fall time. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments below if you're going to be doing an eyeshadow look like this one too.